Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your Wix website more organized and user-friendly, especially for online stores, today's tutorial is going to be super helpful. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add category pages to your site's main menu in Wix, making it easier for your visitors to find what they're looking for and giving your site a much more polished, professional look. So let's dive right in and get your menu working for you. First things first, let's head over to your Wix website design dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. If you already have your site open in the Wix editor, you're in the right spot. If not, just log into your Wix account and open up the site you want to work on. Remember, taking a couple of minutes to make these tweaks really pays off with a smoother experience for your visitors. Now, to add those category pages to your menu, we'll want to work with your site's navigation bar. Most Wix sites use what's called a horizontal menu. That's just the classic menu bar that runs across the top of your site with all your main links in a row. So click anywhere on that horizontal menu in the editor to select it. Don't worry if it looks a little different, the process will still work the same way. Once you've got your menu selected, you'll see a little button or option labeled Manage Menu. Go ahead and click that. This is where you control which pages appear in your site's navigation. Think of it like the captain's chair. From here, you can add, rearrange, or even remove menu items to best fit your website's structure. Take your time here, especially if your menu already has a lot of items. Keeping things organized will make editing easier. Next up, let's add a new spot for your product category. Simply click on Add Menu Item. Wix makes this pretty straightforward. You'll get a choice here. You can link to an existing page, or you can create a brand new page right from this menu. For organizing your store, you'll want to select New Page. This will let you add dedicated space for each category, like women's clothing, electronics, or whatever fits your shop. After you select to create a new page, you'll see some templates and options pop up. Look for the store category and click that. Then select Add Wix Stores. What you're doing here is telling Wix you want this new menu item to connect directly to an online store page so your visitors can easily browse by category. This is especially useful if you have several types of products, or if you want to create a cleaner shopping experience instead of everything jumbled together. A dedicated category page helps your shoppers find what they're after without getting lost. And that's it. Once you've added your new store category page to the menu, it'll instantly show up in your navigation bar. Go ahead and preview your site to see how it looks to visitors. If you want to move the new page to a different spot in the menu, just drag and drop it into place in the Manage Menu view. You can repeat this process for as many categories as you need. Remember, don't worry if it takes a few tweaks to get your menu just the way you want it. Wix lets you adjust things easily so you can fine-tune your website anytime. Thanks for following along with me today. I hope this guide helped make your Wix store even more user-friendly. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about Wix or website menus. I love hearing from you all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.